Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
I'm requesting all the hotels and the commercial complexes to get this Suraksha Index has done from the FSI. So I request the FSI leadership to set up the team in the state of Goa to conduct this audit in the state of Goa. Especially the COVID-19 task force, which is set up by the FSI under the Pankaj Dhakankar, during which is an excellent services which you have given in the state of Goa for the fire station, for the police station and the different hospitals. Especially congratulations for that purpose. The association is also was actively engaging and providing the necessary support to the society, and we are organizing for the medical oxygen supply and oxygen concentrators and to the family for the families of the fire and security professionals during the event. The woman wing, and which is the Goa under the newly constituted the Suraksha Nari, and then is also addressing the need of the women's safety in the state of Goa. Congratulations, Dr. Jennifer Kamath. Also, I am happy to know that Mr. Suresh Menon, that the FSI is ready to take the skill development labs in the state of Goa. So, we are very much interested to set up such a skill development centers with the help of FSI in future in our engineering college, in our diploma college, and in advanced skill development in the fire safety is required not only in the Goa but across the state of Goa. Definitely, which will be the skill development which will happen in the state of Goa.